Good day to everyone. Thank you for inviting me to share a short message for your orientation and oath-taking ceremony this day. Although I am joining you through a recorded video, it is truly an honor to be part of this meaningful event. This year's theme of connecting to a new leadership remind us that leadership today goes beyond titles and positions. No? It is about building connections, connecting ideas, connecting people, and connecting strengths to create a shared direction for growth and progress. To our newly elected officers, your oath taking is more than a formality, it is a commitment to serve, to listen, and to lead with purpose. Modern leadership requires openness, collaboration, and adaptability. It calls for leaders who can bridge differences, cultivate trust, and inspire unity within the organization. So, as you begin your new term, I hope you embrace the mindset that leadership is not about being ahead, it's about leading forward. It is not about power, but about purpose. To the entire community, let us support and empower our new leaders. Remember, the success of any organization is not carried by a few, but built collectively by everyone working together toward a common vision. Once again, congratulations to our newly elected officers. May you lead with integrity, humility, and a clear vision for the future. And may this new leadership truly strengthen our connections and move us toward great achievements. Thank you, and God bless us all.